Let's install a classic GM style accelerator pedal or gas pedal into the 71 Corvette, but this video will apply to many of you, people with Camaros, Novas, whatever. We got three parts. We got the pedal plate, and this one I installed the trim because it matches the originals. These are both original. This is a cheap reproduction, but for this purpose, it'll suffice. What we're gonna do is we have this pin and we have a spring. I had to special order these things. Crazy amount of money invested in these parts. If you can get these with your project purchase or you have them, that's good for you. I think these are like 50 bucks, all these things. Ridiculous. Anyway, that's not the topic of this video. We're gonna mount this. So it's like this. This has a hole in it. The pin goes through the hole. The spring is going to, now I'm going to turn this around so we have the rear view right now. The spring is going to go in like this. And in this case, this is the top of the pedal. The spring's going to go in like this. We're going to put the pin through the pedal. We're going to put the accelerator there first, and then it's going to go through there, and then we're going to feed the pin through the spring, and that's the tricky part. And then, so once that's done, let's see, can I just do it? Yeah. We're going to do that, and that's going to go all the way through like that. And then we're going to take this part and we're going to push it up, and it's going to loop. It's going to catch on the front. It's going to be up here. It's going to sit on that just like that. We're going to loop it around like that. It's going to catch on the front, and then it's going to keep this pedal positioned down like that, and it'll be kind of springy that way. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna do some of this off camera because I cannot, definitely not do it with one hand, but that's what it's gonna look like. All right, you guys, that's what it looks like installed. Let me see if I can give you a better angle. I'm not sure if that was able to focus or not, but that's the action that you can expect from the spring. And the spring is kind of holding the pin in place. So that's what it looks like. I think we're good to go. I'll clean up the old ones a little, but you know, these all look fine. It's an old car. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. It took a minute to get this thing in. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy. Maybe putting in a little pin from the other side to get the spring in the right place would be a good idea. I have a feeling it is a good idea, but I didn't do that. I just tried to get everything lined up. Put the pin in about halfway. You gotta leave space for the spring, then get the spring lined up, and then shove it in and say a little prayer and hope you got it right. But you can do it. It's not hard. It just takes a minute. All right, thanks. Like the video if you do. See you later.